Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix double charge on Cash app using your phone. Let's get started. Open your Cash app on your phone and tap the Activity tab at the bottom. Look for the transaction that was charged twice. Make sure it really shows up to payments. Check your bank or card statement to confirm that the money was deducted twice. Sometimes pending transactions may appear twice, but only one will actually go through. The payment is still pending. Tap the transaction and see if there is a cancel option. Cancelling it will prevent the second charge from completing. If both charges went through, tap the first or second transaction, scroll down and select Needle. After that, tap on Contact Support. Explain that you are charged twice. Cash App support can refund the duplicate payment. If Cash App support takes time, you can also contact your bank or card provider, explain the double charge, and they can help reverse the duplicate payment. And that's it. By checking your transaction, contacting support, and monitoring your account can fix a double charge on Cash App and get your money back safely on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.